to see the picture and draw it. All of you know the shapes, right? Give me a thumbs up if you know the shapes. Everyone give me the thumbs up. You know the shapes? Shapes. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you don't know, thumbs down. Ayan Ashraf, do you understand what is mean by shapes? Don't you read it in mathematics? Shapes. Yes? Good. Good, good. Hamza, I can't see your thumb. Rehan, I can't see your thumb. Yes, now I can see. Rehan, still can't see your thumb. Show me your thumb if you know it. Yes, rest of you. Now I'm gonna show you a shape drawing. What you're gonna do is, by using the shape, you can draw a lot of designs. Did you guys do it in Air 2, right? Air 2 में भी आपने किया था ना? Now you have to draw it with the unique design. Let me share it with you. Okay, hold on. I said hold on. Okay. Here you go. Now you see the worksheet over here. Everyone is watching this thing. Thumbs up for you if you're seeing this thing. It is a shape drawing. Good, 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 good. Very good. Now it is a shape drawing assessment, everyone. What you're gonna do is you have to draw these 6 boxes. Count it with me. Circle, square, star, triangle, diamond, heart. Okay, they have 6 shapes. Now what you're gonna do is you have to draw any kind of object or any kind of image or any kind of thing with using these shapes, just like this cat. You can see there are a lot of shapes in the cat. Circle, oval, triangle, just like this. You have to draw shapes, animal or fruit or any object. It can be anything. It can be anything. Can you see here? It's a ball. It is used by a circle. Can you see a popcorn? It is used by triangle. Can you see a cubic? It is drawn by a square. Can you see a Pepsi can, soft drink can? It is drawn by this rectangle shape. Okay, by modified it, you can draw anything. ये देखिए cubic. Did you play puzzles cubic? Candle, cap, orange. These are all the things you can do with using the shapes. Now you are in class 3, so draw according to your ears. I want to see beautiful drawing and designs according to your ear. Can you see the table, everyone? Now this table is made of square. It is very difficult for you. Once you started drawing it, you can do it. Check your own bed or table. You can draw it. This is the star. Now you can convert into a snowflakes also. See, I'm talking about the shape becoming an object. Shape becoming an object. For example, star is a simple 2D element. A star is a shape, but you can make it into a snowflakes. Now snowflake is an object. Okay. Now you see circle is a shape, but you can make a football or you can make a clock or you can make any animal using that shape. Do you understand me, everyone? Nod your head. Nod your head. Only Zainab is nodding. Why everyone is nodding? Very good, Hassan Talib. You can either nod your head or you can use your thumbs up. Okay, now next is butterfly. Can anyone tell me what is the shape of butterfly? You can use your finger by drawing it. Imagine it to be a shape. What shape is it? Yes, Zainab. Can you draw it with your own hand? अपने finger से show करें क्या shape है? What is the shape of this butterfly? Okay, I'm going to ask to unmute you. Okay, Zainab, tell me the answer. Unmute yourself. Yes, Zainab. Triangle. Good job, Zainab. That's right. That's right. It is a triangle. Everyone, focus over here. It has one pointed shape, two pointed shape, and here's the third one. So in a big picture, you see it is a triangle in shape. And then उसके बाद उन्होंने उसके अंदर detailing add की है. Detailing क्या थी? उसकी colorful wings. That's how you're gonna make it. आपने imagine करना है during your surrounding. घर में है ना, आप घर पे हर एक चीज को focus करें. For example, your cupboard. What shape is it? Big picture में what shape does it look like? For example, your bed. What shape does it look like? Your sofa set. What does it look like? Your laptop or a computer. What does shape it look like? Okay. Notice all these things are surrounding you and draw anything with on your own liking. Okay, shapes मैंने आपको mention कर दी. Write down the shapes, everyone, so that you won't forget which shape you have to draw. Number one is circle. Write down circle. Circle. Remember to use. You can use many kind of circle in a single picture. There's no restriction in you. एक ही diagram के अंदर आप so many circles you can use. Okay, so many circles you can use. No issue. You can even use triangle or any other shape if it's coming inside the picture. I don't mind. Circle. Number one is circle. Number two is square. Number two is square. What you gonna do is, जैसे मैंने आपको picture में for example show किया था, on each side you have to show me the shape and then on the left side you have to show me what you have drawn. राइट साइड में आपने पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है शेप को कन्वर्ट करके एंड लेफ्ट साइड में यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द शेप. गॉट इट एहसन? Rehan, everyone got it? Thumbs up please and note down these things. Circle, square, number 30 is star. Star, good. Hamza, do you get it? Star. Star. Triangle. Yes, Alishba, good to see you. What is your question, Alishba?
Can you repeat that?
Hello, Zainab Fatma. Yes. Your question, please.
Teacher,
Repeat the question.
can you repeat from the circle?
Okay, since so many of you joined now, Rubesha, please, once you log in, please rename yourself before login. Ye Infinix, what is this by Infinix? Okay, next time everyone, find it time. Login,
Teacher,
you have to rename yourself.
can
Yes,
you repeat
Alishba,
it from the circle?
Okay, everyone. Today we are going to do our shape drawing assessment. What shape you are going to draw is circle, square, star, triangle, diamond, and heart. These are the 6 shapes you have to draw into an object. Just like this cat. Can you see the cat is divided into a different shape? Triangle, circle, oval. Okay.
बाबा स्क्वायर की स्पेलिंग बताएं.
SQUARE. Okay, now everyone listen to me. You have to note down the alphabets. You have to note down the shape. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is draw a design of any object or element or anything I've shown you, or you come with a way of with your surrounding. Okay, draw करना है shapes की reference से, just like cupboard. Since you see your cupboard, see what shape it comes in your mind. What shape is this? It look like rectangle. Can you see that it is a rectangle in shape, and then they draw the cupboard just like that. What shape is the chest terrace? It is also a rectangle. They first draw the basic shape, then it converted into an object. Okay, just like that. A star, for example, this is a star, and then they convert it into a snowflakes. Can you see the pointed things of stars. See, the first drawing is the star, and then they convert into a symmetrical shape of snowflakes. Now this is a simple circle. They convert into a football. Now you see Zainab giving me the answer of butterfly. Butterfly ki wings, what does it look like? It looks like a shape of triangle. So you need to see the elements with the basic shape first and then draw it with your own choice. बेसिक शेप्स हमने कौन सी ड्रॉ करने हैं? सर्कल, स्क्वायर, स्टार, ट्रायंगल, डायमंड एंड हार्ट. These are the 6 shapes. Note it down, everyone, and then draw a picture by using these shape. Okay, इन shapes को use करने आपके पिक्चर बनानी है, ड्राइंग करनी है, कोई भी आप ऑब्जेक्ट बनाए, लेकिन 6 shapes को use करना है, 6 डायग्राम बनानी है, 6 पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है, 6 पिक्चर्स. एवरीवन, डू नॉट ड्रॉ एवरी शेप इन वन पिक्चर. सारी शेप्स को एक पिक्चर में ड्रॉ करके डू नॉट शो इट टू मी. Show me the 6 picture using 6 shapes, okay? And then take a picture of it and attach it to the homework notifications so that I can see your drawing. Okay, 6 picture with the 6 shapes. You can use a lot of shapes during one picture, but it has to be a 6 picture, 6 image, 6 drawing. सर्कल की एक ड्राइंग बनेगी, स्क्वायर की एक ड्राइंग बनेगी, स्टार की एक ड्राइंग बनेगी, ट्रायंगल की एक अलग ड्राइंग बनेगी, डायमंड शेप की एक अलग ड्राइंग बनेगी एंड हार्ट शेप की अलग. नाउ सर्कल के अंदर यू कैन ड्रॉ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. अपने सराउंडिंग में आपने वॉच करना है कि ऐसी क्या चीज है आपकी सराउंडिंग में व्हिच इज लुक लाइक अ सर्कल इन शेप. अलिशबा, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू? व्हाई आर यू सो कंफ्यूज्ड? Don't you understand the basic shape? First tell me, thumbs up if you know it. Basic shapes पता है आपको? Thumbs up if you know it. Good. Now, can you explain it to me that if you see a ball, what shape does it look like? A shape of a ball is? A shape of a ball. Yes, Zainab, a shape of a ball. What does a shape of a ball looks like?
Circle.
Very good, Zainab. Circle. See? Now, Ayan Ashraf, give me the answer. What does a butterfly shape looks like? What does a butterfly shapes look like? I've shown you in the picture. Everyone, you will get your turns. Hold it. Okay, I will show you the picture of a butterfly. Yes. Can you see the butterfly wing? What does the shape look like? Overall,
Yes.
picture में देखनी है आपने. And then define to me what shape does it look like? Basic shapes में. What is the first basic shape you have to draw before drawing the butterfly details? Ayan Ashraf, you need to pay attention. Yes, Alishba. What does the shape look like?
I covered nearly one of the third surface, Baba.
I can hear you now.
Teacher?
Give me the answer.
Baba.
What is the
What was-
butterfly shape looks like? आपने border
Triangle.
हाँ?
Triangle.
Very good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Now you know the answers. Can you see the big pictures and then you can identify the basic shape of an animal or an object? Can you do that, Alishba?
What?
किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को जब आप देखेंगी तो उसकी बॉर्डर लाइन को आइडेंटिफाई करके बेसिक शेप बता सकेंगी आप. कैन यू टेल मी नाउ? जस्ट लाइक बटरफ्लाई यू सी इट. आपने उन बॉर्डर्स को देखा एंड देन अंडरस्टैंड इट. नो, इट डज लुक लाइक अ थ्री पॉइंटेड थिंग एंड इट शुड ट्रायंगल.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Now I expected everyone understand what my point is. Basic shape means किसी भी element की basic shape, यानी कि border. Can you see the border? Border. अगर मैं इस circle को complete करूंगी तो the basic shape of this ball must be a circle. उसके बाद मैं उसके अंदर detailing डालूंगी. ये बॉल किस तरह की दिखती है, एंड देन व्हाट इट डज हैव अ लुक लाइक, जस्ट लाइक बटरफ्लाई। मैंने फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया एंड देन आई विल डिसाइडेड कि उसके अंदर कितने पार्टीशंस मुझे देने डिजाइंस के। ओके, you have to draw these kinds of shape and then convert it into an object. An object must be anything. For example, look into this picture. Zainab, very nice. Everyone, look into this picture. Sun, what is the shape of the sun? What is the shape of the sun's rays? What is the shape of the house? What is the shape of the tree? What is the shape of the footpath? What is the shape of the door? What is the shape of a window? Okay, focus on this image and understand what I'm trying to teach you. Image में आपने categorize करना है what shape they are using. सबसे पहले बेसिक शेप से ड्राइंग करनी है एंड देन आपने उसके अंदर डिटेल्स ऐड करने. फॉर एग्जांपल, on the left side of the picture you see a simple circle and a rectangle shape. Now after adding the details you can see छोटे छोटे circles inside that big circle, and then उन्होंने यहाँ पे उसके roots draw कर दिए तो it become a tree, a natural tree. ठीक है, that just like that आपने first triangle बनाया roof के top house के लिए, and then you added the penthouse window, and then आपने उसके ये chimney draw की, and then आपने उसकी smoke draw की. Added details, first draw the basic shape and then draw the added details. This is your homework everyone. I want you to draw you surrounded objects. अपने घर के अंदर आसपास चीजों को watch करें, focus करें and decide it कि what shape does it look like. I want to see the surrounded objects of your house. आपने basic shape जो मैंने mention किए 6, you have to use that 6 shapes and decided what you have to make it. Okay, draw it, color it, and very nice, Zainab. Oh wow, that's great. Okay, everyone, this is for the homework. I'm gonna see the Zainab's work, and I'll start asking you questions. Yes, Zainab. Wow, Zainab, this is so beautiful, everyone. Can you see the Zainab work? Zainab, explain it to me. How did you make it? What material is this? It is so beautiful. Did you give this to your father? What your father says to you? Everyone, show me your Father's Day gift. Everyone, bring your gifts. I want to see your gifts. What did you give to your father? What did you make for your father, everyone? Hurry up, chop, chop, chop. Wow, very beautiful, Zainab. This is so lovely. Take a picture of it and send it to me on the school website, please. I want to make a video of all of your works. Hello, Abraham. Why so late? Hello, Talbia. Hello, Amna. Hello, Malahim. Good to see you too. Everyone, bring your gifts. What did you give to your father? I want to see. Hello, Talbia. I'm waiting, everyone. Ayan, Fatma, Hamza, bring your gifts. What did you give to your father? Wow, Fatma, show it to me. Zana, Fatma, show it to me again. Yes, closer to the screen. And Fatma, what is your name, Fatma? Wow, it's so beautiful. Good, good. Ishal, very nice. Very nice. Majestic. Ishal, is this a majestic? I want to see everyone gifts. Why are you still sitting? Wow, love you, Dad. Wow, Ishal, this is so beautiful. Very nice creative arts. You use your matchstick. Very nice. Well done, Ishal. Well done, Fatma. Well done, Zainab. Very nice. Everyone, where are you all artworks? Ayan, Ashraf, Malahim, Talbia, Rubesha, Braham, Alishba, Amna. Ano, oh my God. Wow. What is this? It's a card. Very nice. But Amna, I expected more from you. You can use a creative way to create a card. You can even cut the shapes of a heart in other colors, or you can even make a flower pasting on this card. Very nice. Amna, very nice. Yes, Zainab. Hamza, didn't you make anything for your father?
Teacher,
Yes, Zainab.
ये
You
मेरी
also make
sister
this
ने
one
बनाया
also.
है.
Wow, it's so pretty. Wow, wow. Everyone, look what Zainab made. It's a t-shirt card. Well
Teacher,
done, Zainab. Oh my God, so pretty. Dad, it's coming out of the card. And it's silver. Wow, great job. Zainab, I'm very proud of you, beta. I'm very proud of you. Fatma, you also, I've seen your also. Yes, Abraham, what is your question?
टीचर
Yes.
मैंने अपने बाबा के लिए बनाया था, लेकिन वो उनके पास ही है अभी.
Okay. Can you take a picture and show it to me on my website, school website? Everyone take a picture
Okay.
and take a good photo, okay? I want to make a video of all your hard work so on your Father's Day. And I will send it to you, my school group. Yes, everyone else, where
Okay.
are yours? Hamza.
और टीचर मैंने अपने बाबा को केक भी बना के दिया.
Wow, well done. I want every one of you to put your all
टीचर
efforts to make your father happy.
मैंने 5 मंथ क्राफ्ट से केक भी सीख के बनाता है.
Good, good, good. Whatever you did, share with me. Yes, who else?
टीचर मैंने केक भी बनाया था उनके लिए.
I heard you. Well done, Abraham. Well done. Yes, Alishba. Alishba, you have to say something. You want to say something, Alishba? Everyone has noted down the shapes. You have to draw the image of. Thumbs up if you are done with the shape name. All of you have write down the shape, 6 shape name. Thumbs up if you have write it down. Thumbs up. Very good. Zainab, did you write it down? Good. Abraham, did you write it down? Everyone has noted down the 6 shapes name. Yes? Thumbs up. I can't see you, Talbia, raising your hand, thumb. And Ahmad, I can't see your thumb. Yes, Rehan, I can't see your thumb. Hamza. Oh, sorry. Abdul Bari. You are Abdul Bari, yes? I now remember your name. Abdul Bari, come up with your name next time. Everyone, you are in class 3. You should know whenever you log into Zoom, you must rename from your parents to your own name so that I can take your attendance. अब for example, यहाँ पर किसी के मोबाइल का नेम आता Infinix X. Your name is Infinix X? No. What is your name? Write it down. Join meeting से पहले bottom पर लिखा हुआ आता है what is name you must be appear on. Name change करना है. Asad, good to. I can't see you, Asad. Wow, Khajwa Malahim, did you give this turtle to your father? Oh, hello, Asad. How are you? Why are you so sleepy? Your eyes look so sleepy. Did you just wake up? Ayan Ahmed, can you correct your camera, please? Yes, everyone. Did you note down the shapes you have to draw? Yes. Yes. Yes, I want to see thumbs up. Those who didn't note down, thumbs down so that I can repeat the shape name. Ayan Ashraf, you didn't hear me. The shape name, which are circle, square, star, triangle, diamond, and heart. Note it down, the shape, everyone. Very good, Alishba. On the right side, you have to draw all these shapes just like the box. On the left side, you have to draw the image you want to make through with the help of this shape. 2 lines मुझे देखनी है. 1 lines में आपने बेसिक शेप ड्रॉ करना एंड द बेसिक शेप शुड बी ड्रॉन विद द फ्री हैंड. आपने किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को यूज करके नहीं ड्रॉ करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करने के लिए स्केल यूज नहीं करना है, फ्री हैंड ड्रॉ करना है, सिर्फ हाथ से ड्रॉ करना है. डू नॉट यूज एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए यू कांट यूज रूलर. Note it down, everyone. Asad, why are you so late? Asad, what did you give to your father on Father's Day? Unmute. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, miss.
Speak louder. What did you give to your father on Father's Day? I hope everyone it went well and your father must be happy and proud of you that you make him a special gift for him and celebrate the whole day with him. Yes, that's the case. Shabi Fatma, why are you look so sad? Okay, everyone, that's it for the class. I hope everyone got today's lesson that you have to draw. Rubesha, is this a horror movie? Okay, now everyone, you have to make a object by using the shapes which I've shared with you. I hope everyone is clear how you can make a object through the basic shape, right? I hope to see a good drawing. Use pencil very carefully. I told you, use light pencil. Do not use dark and harsh pencil. Page will tear apart if you use it harshly. And drawing must be good. You are in class 3, so your drawing must be look like a 3-year student. Okay? Good. Yes, Zainab Fatma, you have question. This is the last question I'm taking, everyone. After that, I will be signing out. Yes, Zainab.
हम लोग कलरिंग कर सकते हैं?
Yes, yes, absolutely you can color it.
Okay.
Okay, you can color it. On the right side, everyone, make a column. On the left side, you have to make the basic shape. On the right side, you have to make the diagram of each shape. Each shape. I have shown you also a video tutorial I've shown you in which you can draw a lot of shapes of animal also. Or you can also make a house. You can also make something available in even your lamp. Watch the lamp, watch the light, watch the AC, watch window, watch door, watch mobile, watch table, anything available in your home. See it with the aspect of basic shape and draw it. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Good, good, good. Now, everyone, that's it for today. I'm going to make a homework notification to you all. Take a picture and send it to me there. I will be seeing your homework and upgraded you. Abdul Bari, you look so sad. Yes, Alishba, this is last question, okay? The time is up. Yes. Anyone else question? Raise your hand now.
Teacher,
Yes.
I don't see the video.
I have shown you the video in your class. In the class, not online.
No, I don't see that.
Okay, I want to see your homework. And after that, tomorrow class.
I don't see.
Next class. In next class, I will show you the video of numerous design with the help of basic shapes. Okay, so that you will understand what I'm trying to teach you. First, I want you to know how can you use your mind to think of a creative designs. Then I will show you some designs of my mind. Okay, Alishba, you can also search on your own. Okay, I will show you in next class. I don't want to show you now because you will start drawing the same thing I've shown you. I don't want you to do that. I want you to draw or from your what comes from your mind. अपने दिमाग से सोचना है creativity. Okay, do not copy paste anything. Draw from your own mind. Just like I've seen Khawaja Malahim divider. It's in what shape, Khawaja Malahim? Yes, Malahim, you have a question. Unmute yourself, Malahim. Yes.
वो जो था आपने जो शेप बोले थे वो समझ नहीं आया.
शेप बोल रही थी मैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई टोल्ड यू कि आपके कबर्ड देखा है, यू सी कबर्ड ऑफ योर ओन रूम, व्हाट डज इट शेप लुक लाइक फ्रॉम द फ्रंट? हाँ,
स्क्वायर।
वेरी गुड मलाइम, इट लुक लाइक अ स्क्वायर, बट अगर वो 3 डोर्स होगा तो इट इज अलाउड 2 साइडेड, उसकी elongated है, 2 साइड शॉर्ट है. डिड यू रीड द मैथ्स? मैथ्स पढ़ी है ना, मैथ्स में शेप जिसकी 4 साइडेड इक्वल होती है दैट्स कॉल्ड स्क्वायर, लेकिन आपकी कबर्ड की 2 साइड इक्वल होती है, तो दैट मीन इट इज अ
रेक्टेंगल।
वेरी गुड. नाउ यू सी द शेप, इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल इन शेप. उसकी बेसिक शेप कबर्ड की रेक्टेंगल होती है, लेकिन आप अगर उसके डोर्स बनाएंगे, उसमें नॉक बनाएंगे, उसके लॉक्स बनाएंगे, उसके साइडों के बॉर्डर्स बनाएंगे, तो इट विल कम टू अ कबर्ड. ठीक है, बेसिक शेप में एडिट डिटेल करेंगे, डिटेलिंग डालेंगे. डिटेलिंग इज दैट कि उसके ड्रॉर्स बनाएंगे, उसके लॉक्स बनाएंगे, उसके हैंडल ड्रॉ करेंगे, दैट विल कम टू अ कबर्ड. ओके, नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग?
वो नाम बता दे सब शेप के जो आपने बोले थे।
नो नो नो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू कि आपने कौन से ड्राइंग बनानी है. अब्राहम, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद योर टीथ? ओके, शेप है आपके पास स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, ट्रायंगल, डायमंड, हार्ट and star. 6 shape. Anyone else have a question? That's it for today. I'm gonna mention the shapes on the homework section also. Don't worry about it. Check the notification. You will know it what to do, what shape I'm talking about. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Take care of yourself. Stay in home. Help your mother doing daily chorus, okay? And behave yourselves, everyone. Do your homework regularly. Read and eat carefully. Hope to see you soon. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow is an ICD class of yours. Hope to see you tomorrow with the ICD class, everyone. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. I think Wala Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.